How to fix Cash App card disabled. I'm going to show you two fixes. Now the first fix is by clicking on the Cash Card icon right here at the bottom. And if you have a Cash Card, then you will see the option to unlock your card right about here. So if you want to fix your card being disabled, then you just gotta click on the option to unlock your card, and hopefully this works for you. If it still doesn't work, then another thing you can try doing is by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then you want to scroll down until you see the option for support. So click on support. Here you can type card disabled. Try to search for an article that helps you, but I don't think there's any actually helpful ones, so you can select whichever one you would like. And then right here, after you have clicked on an article, you have to click on chat, and you can contact support directly this way. You can explain that your card is disabled and ask them what you can do about it, and they should get back to you within 1 to 2 days or 48 hours from my experience. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.